Thank you, Creator, and for directions. And Mother Earth, and we hope and pray that the seeds, the wild rice seeds, will grow this year and germinate and give us food for next year.
My name's Angela Dumas, Prince, and I'm from Brokenhead, Ojibway Nation. I was in a program called Kitigay in Brokenhead along with 12 students, and we had planned to restore the wild rice. I'm so excited to plant wild rice, and I'm just hoping that it'll grow really good. Wild rice is the most nutritional staple food for Aboriginal people. That's what made us survive. We used it for trade, for other things like sugar, milk, things that we needed. We lived off the land totally. Honest to goodness, it's just amazing. Our ancestors traveled from the Great Lakes area and up to North Manitoba, Central Manitoba. They went east, south, west.
There was a prophecy that was told that we were to walk as far as where you can find the food that grows on water. The food that grows on water is wild rice.
The nutritional value, I think, is very important. We get life from the earth. And wild rice, here's one can of wild rice. It has a lot of iron in it, and calcium, potassium, sodium, protein. Women go through a change in their life with their time every month. And a lot of the times women become anemic from losing that much in 1 month. To restore that, we gotta start eating iron. Once the wild rice is established and growing every year, it'll get bigger, larger and larger, and we can harvest it. Storage, wow, the seeds, they'll last for years. It'll create a lot of jobs. It'll create passion to find out more about your own identity. When I spoke about eating off the land, that's the most nutritious food you can eat. With our food intake and our water intake, diet and exercise, it's really important to get back to our staple foods, living off the land.